plays Sancho. So, what was it like playing Sancho? Could you relate to his steadfast faith in the boss? And do you think it comes from a place of deludiness, or is he a lot more practical than a lot of people think?
First of all, it's an honor to play a role that has been played by great actors. The first person to do this in the Philippines was the late Junix Inoue. And then the 2005 version was with the director, Robbie Guevara. So that also entails a lot of responsibility as an actor. But one of the things I debated, I don't know if that's the word to use, but I discussed with Nel as well as Tito Jaime. I remember one lunch we were talking about. So is Sancho just, so lack of better term, dumb? Sunuran lang ba siya? And my interpretation of him is he's not dumb at all. He's actually very smart. In fact, he questions Don Quixote, right? He says, don't blame my eye. I only see what, I don't make it. I just see reality. So I wouldn't say he's deluded. I would say he is a man that is very practical, that's rooted in reality, that is, in a way, when Don Quixote is way up there in the clouds, kind of grounds him. But at the same time, he is also a man of dedication and service. And one of the things I tried to discover with Nel was the earnestness of how do I serve this person. And if you look at the text, he's not just an alalay. He is a squire, and squires are usually the rank before a knight. And so, I want to be like Don Quixote, and that is why I support him. It's because I want so much to be like him, because I see the point of all of his optimism and his hopefulness. And so, to answer that question, he's not deluded. He is a realist, but at the same time, he is dedicated to the mission, the quest of Don Quixote.